Here we will take a look at how paperboard is made and which machines are used to make paper and paperboard. Total Y.
Pulper machine.
In paper making, a pulper is a machine that produces pulp from cellulose fibers. This pulp can directly be used by a paper machine.
Chest agitator.
The chest agitators offered by us are extensively used in pulp storage chests such as high-density towers, mixing chest and machine chest. Agitation in a stock chest is the only way to prevent the stock form dewatering.
Wire part.
The paper machine wire section includes a lower wire having an initial single wire run in which dewatering of a web takes place, and at least one upper wire unit following the initial single wire run which defines a twin wire dewatering, adjacent run of the lower wire and in which dewatering of the web.
Calendaring machine.
Calendaring, process of smoothing and compressing a material, notably paper, during production by passing a single continuous sheet through a number of pairs of heated rolls. The rolls in combination are called calendars.
Cutting machine.
The paper cutting is done by crank and lever mechanism. After cutting, the spring connect to the cutter will bring the cutter back to its original position. The main purpose of this machine is to reduce time for marking the papers. This is working fully based on timing. You now know what machines are used to make paper, and if you would like more information about these machines, please contact Mohseen Engineering Works.